200. But anyway, it runs and goes. Possibly tomorrow I'll pop the lower unit and put one of these new impellers on. Don't let anybody fool you. You can still get parts for these. I got scads of Chrysler parts. This is the 7.5. This is the $116 impeller for the 7.5. But it didn't cost me that much. And I got some spares up here. So yeah, just gotta drop that, put a new impeller in it, and I did hear I dropped a cylinder here and there, so I'm thinking possibly a bad condenser. I got a box full of those. I'll swap one out and do that, eliminate the do an elimination test on it and figure out which cylinder was doing the dropping. Alright, 1976 Chrysler from an auction.